Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to my another vlog. So, guys, now I'm vlogging this in Sweden, Stockholm, and right now I'm in the front of IKEA, as you can see, and and the location around. This is kind of a shopping center in Stockholm, and I'll go through the IKEA. The most the famous thing about this IKEA is this is the world's biggest IKEA and the first one. So, as you know, that IKEA is a Swedish company, and the first shopping mall of IKEA is this. So, this is the world's first shopping center, IKEA center, and because of IKEA, there were other shopping malls as well, and it's lot of place, very busy place, because you can see the far all the showrooms, all the companies have opened up, sprung up nearby as people come for the shopping here, and lot of people. So let's go inside. So now I'm inside and I'm going up to have a visit in the center. So normally we have the shopping malls that are that big, but here it's the IKEA only that is that big. So that's one of the uniqueness. So guys, IKEA is, those who have less idea, IKEA is the world's major player in manufacturing of making of the furnitures, table, chairs, and other household items, and at almost very reasonable prices. So that is the USP of IKEA, that it makes the furniture and other household items at very normal minimum prices. Because if you go for shopping for other brands, they are quite very expensive, but IKEA has its USP that it makes prices very reasonable, so that each and every household can afford the luxury. Yeah. So here, so this is the quality and the quantity you can see, and the variety. Okay, so I give you a look inside it, and this is okay. And if you want to see the prices, so here it's like, for this kind of a table plus multi-purpose, it costs us 1600, almost 1600 crowns. So to give you a idea, that 1600 crowns is like in euros, it's like 160 euros. Yeah, in Indian currency it will be like almost like 16,000, 15,000. So here you can get quite basic items as well as little bit luxurious also. Okay. And this is a view to outside from the IKEA building. this is kitchen solutions. Very, very, very nice. Complete solutions. The best part of IKEA is they will give you complete solution for your home. So the whole kitchen, the whole sofa set. So you can entire design the entire your home with the basically with the fittings and furnishings with yourself. You don't need a designer, so you can just have your measurements with you, and then you can come here and just design your how it will be looking inside. I mean, this kind of you know so vast variety, it's like very less uh, businesses offer. Yeah, so that's why IKEA is one of the major players in the market for the home solutions. So let's go there now. So I'm going from top floor to the one floor down, and here we have some other designs and furnishings. So for the Christmas, they have another complete wardrobe for the Christmas celebrations. So here we have different beds and different styles and combinations here. It's a very big store. That's the reason I'm just covering this, because it's one of the very biggest, and you get a lot of variety inside it. Going down to further down level, and here is the another kitchen here, and then this is the dining area. Okay, yeah, it's quite nice. Very simplistic and minimalistic. So some people like very simplistic designs. So here also, you know, minimalistic. So see here, it's like they have made the complete kitchen, and you can get many examples of complete kitchen solutions. So if you have this kind of measurements in your house, then you can purchase the entire kitchen set, with your measurements, and you can just have a visualization how your kitchen will look like. Another, so if you don't have that much space, then you can opt for this. Simple. So not only the major, uh, basically the solutions, but they are giving at the micro level, like the jars and bottles that you can keep on the shelves, on the racks. Okay, yeah, this is another example. See from far how it looks like. And here it's another dining table. Again, minimalistic approach also, you can see professional also, and for the lavish households that they want a little bit lavish and different designs. So according to European prices, these are quite very reasonable. So these are quite reasonable prices here if you compare with the European prices. Another, now this is another combination where you have the kitchen plus your dining. So from look from here, and it's see, it's from kitchen plus dining. This another here. It's the store, and this is the save, and this is the dining table and the chairs. So here you have for the ovens and the save. This is kind of another solution. So guys, here not only IKEA, we have another companies where you can get the complete household solutions. But I think most of the people, because of the prices, people prefer IKEA mostly, because they have very reasonable prices, and that's make it very affordable and unique. But if those are super rich, they can also go to other companies that offer the home solutions, and they have the prices almost double or triple or more than that. So see, this is from this angle. This is, and another theme based. Yeah, so this is a very theme based approach IKEA has been offering to the customers. But guys, one thing, this is not a sponsored video, and I'm just visiting the Stockholm, and that's why I just came across that this is the IKEA's biggest and the first kind of shopping center. So I just had a chance to cover it up in my story. See the kitchen solutions, the level of variety and the level of quality. You can get lot of variety here. Here another section where you get another set of items that are presented. This is the Christmas, you know, the Christmas celebrations. They have made the entire block here for the Christmas celebrations. So here you will find everything red, white, green. So guys, this is quite big store. See, you can see the depth of this is kind of a warehouse plus store. So mostly in Europe, we have the stores that are also kind of warehouses. So this is how they store normally in a warehouse the materials, and here they have also storing as well as selling. So I came from the almost 4 floors down and see the store, the depth here of the lines. And now I'm almost going out of this. So, so guys, now I'm out of the this massive IKEA store.